All right, for this last slide, you're either going to be choosing an array, a number line, or a strip diagram to represent and solve this problem, okay? So I'm going to read this problem. Mrs. Garza bought 4 pumpkins for her front porch. The pumpkins cost $6 each. How much money did Mrs. Garza spend on the pumpkins? Okay, so here you have the opportunity to build your strip diagram. You can use this little dollar bill to create your array, or you can use this arrow so I would move the arrow, and then you're going to have to change the size of the arrow to represent what the question is asking you to do. Okay, so you can do a strip diagram, you can do an array with a dollar bill, or you can do an arrow for your number line. You only have to do one, but you are more than welcome to do all 3 if you would like to. And if you do all 3, I'll give you some extra credit this week on your grades.